What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm in a new location, so let me know if you do enjoy the setup. But without further ado, let's take a look at the current Bitcoin price. Now, BTC has just entered the cloud, and for those of you guys that are new here and you do not know the cloud strategy or the Ichimoku trading strategy, this is a agent Chinese method what I like to use to check the Bitcoin price. Now there are many strategies that you can use, but it's completely up to you, whichever ones you use. I think they're all pretty good, but this one just gets good results for me. And how it works is the cloud out the top, this big green cloud is an area of support for Bitcoin. And historically, over time, we have seen that if we enter or touch the cloud, we are either in an area of support, or if we break into it, the bottom side of the cloud ends up being an area of support. And right now, we have just entered the cloud, which means that we should see a descent on Bitcoin's price of about, let's take a look here, 2.3% or 3.5% precisely. This, in my opinion, will lead to the cloud turning bearish and will lead to a descent in Bitcoin's price. If you've been keeping up to date with the channel, we are waiting for a pullback to the 200 EMA. And if you guys want to add the 200 EMA to your chart, all you have to do is head over to indicators and add the 200 day, and it will show you this blue line here, which is a average of BTC's price. And over the time, BTC has shown a huge support or resistance on the 200 EMA. If we go back through time here and we take a look at BTC's price over time, you'll see that the 200 EMA has been a point of resistance for Bitcoin or a point of support. And if we cross the 200 EMA on a bearish angle, this has been the beginning of the bear market over time. You can see in 2022, just the end of 2021, in fact January, we've seen that we touched the 200 EMA and rejected. And as a trade, that was a ridiculous trade for those people that took it, and we've seen a 30% drop in BTC. We then seen again the 200 EMA again become a huge point of, well, support or resistance, and this confirmed to us that this was the beginning of a bear market, especially a long bear market. And it's took us almost 2 years before we've even managed to get above it again. Now we have flipped the 200 EMA bullish, which we have seen in March 12th. It seems like this could be another point for a trade. Now, I have two theories here. The first theory is that we break below the 200 EMA, which shakes out a lot of people. But then as we move into March next year, we start to see another bullish rally. The second theory is this, that we bounce off this 200 EMA and we range all the way until the next year. The reason is because we are trading for next year. We're trading for the long term, right? If I pull up the weekly here, and for those of you guys that are, got short time spans, make sure that you stay, hold on your attention, because I'm going to show you something very important. This is the longer term time frame, and it's showing us that we are inside of the cloud. Now, in one of the older videos, I showed you guys that if we have a bullish cross, which we have had, okay, before the cloud, and we enter in the cloud, it usually is a sign that we could rally into it. Now, this doesn't mean that we're in a bull market. This doesn't mean that you're going to get filthy rich just yet. What this does mean is that there could be some potential for upside volatility on Bitcoin. And historically, on the daily time frame, okay, we see that if we have a cross, okay, here, before entering the cloud, like really guys, zoom in here and look at this section, right? We had a cross, we entered the cloud, and we went bullish, okay? Now let's look at the weekly. We've had a cross, okay? We've had a cross here. We've entered the cloud, and the expectation that it could get very, very bullish here. Now, if that is the case, it still aligns with our long-term theory of making as much money as physically, humanly possible, putting in the overtime to invest into the market before March 4th. because March 4th, historically, BTC halvings have been a huge rally for Bitcoin. And if you're not involved in Bitcoin yet, and you do want to start investing, I recommend checking the links in the description, looking at them and deciding the exchanges that you want to pick into. There's exchanges like Coinbase, Binance. There's also exchanges which have no KYC, such as BitGet, which you can invest into. Or I think BitGet, Bitflex. You can invest into that and you won't have any KYC. So there's a variety of ones that you can choose from. And get involved in the market, because you will not get lucky if you are not involved, right? Now, that's my current theory. In regards to Base Chain, right? Base Chain is Coinbase's final play where they're going to move 1 billion users over to this chain. Currently, the volume on Base Chain is only $18 million. In my opinion, this is because there is no token of substance currently on this chain. I've been waiting. Guys, I stayed up. You can ask the missus. I was up till 4 a.m. when the announcement came out, and I didn't see no crypto of substance launch. You've seen Magic Internet Money, right? Magnet Finance, Safe Base, just meme after meme after meme. And I personally think that Coinbase has a plan with this, because they will not allow their brand image to be affected by all the meme coins on the chain. They need to release something of substance. And when they do, the volume will go absolutely ridiculous. Right now, if you look at Binance Chain, you'll see the volume is 326 million, right? I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it. 326 billion, okay? If you look at Ethereum, the volume right now is 453 billion. If you look at Base, 18 million. Oh, well, actually, Base has increased. Guys, we're getting somewhere, okay? 178 million. We're live on stream. I'm happy about that. So the volume is already getting there. Liquidity is already coming over to Base Chain. This is a good thing. This is a good thing. But there is still no tokens of huge substance on there. What we want to find is a layer 1. So guys, let me know in the comments if you have found a big token that is able to actually lead the way for Base Chain. Because there will be something. There will be a token, right, which leads the rally for bringing people over to Base Chain. Now, 178 volume is like a 3x from the other week. And that's a good sign. But still, it's mainly stable coins, right? As you can see here, stable coins, right? If we look at CoinMarketCap, you guys will understand what I'm talking about here, right? If you look at CoinMarketCap, where's the volume right now? Okay, where's the volume? The volume is stable coins, then Bitcoin, then Ethereum, right? Then XRP, then BNB, right? I want to start seeing more volume than simply USDC. If we have a look here, volume or liquidity, let's go liquidity for now. I want to start seeing more volume and liquidity for than USDC, DAI, and these other coins, right? Toshi is okay, and I do have like $200 worth of Toshi, but most of the rest of them are looking like honeypots, right? I found another one in the Discord, right? I did find another decent token in the crypto Discord that we're currently in. And that one was okay. This one was Monkey League, right? And the reason why I went with Monkey League is because Base Chain shared them. They shared this MBS. They reposted it when they shared this post. And that was okay. But till then, I'll give it another check. Yeah, till then, we still haven't had a push. Maybe this gallery token. This was just in today. They posted it on the 9th of August, but they shared it today. I think this is another NFT. So yeah, still nothing yet for Base Chain. The volume did just increase live on the video, so I'll keep that in. We don't need no fancy shit on here. But guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you do like the new camera setup. I don't want to bore you guys. I like to keep these updates quick. If you like it, let me know. And if you have seen any token of substance, I am war ready, trigger fingers at the ready. I'm ready to invest. So let me know what you guys have found inside in the comments. Let's work together and create a community of alpha, and let's all win together. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.